How to download Windows 11 24H2 ISO and installation tools. Official links. Microsoft has officially made the Windows 24H2 update available for download. Whether you're planning a clean install, upgrading your existing system, or testing out the new features, you can grab the ISO and installation tools directly from Microsoft's website. Here's a quick guide with all the direct links you'll need. Option 1, download Windows 11 24H2 ISO Multi-Edition. Microsoft provides an official ISO file that includes both Home and Pro editions of Windows 11. Steps. 1. Go to the Windows 11 ISO download page, microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. 2. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO section. 3. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. 4. Choose your preferred language. 5. Click Download to get the ISO file. This ISO is useful for creating bootable USB drives or performing a clean installation using tools like Rufus. Option 2, use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. If you're running Windows 10 and want to upgrade directly without creating media, go to the same Windows 11 download page, dpns/www.microsoft.com/enus/software-download/Windows 11. Under Windows 11 Installation Assistant, click Download Now. Run the tool and follow the on-screen steps to upgrade your device. This method preserves your files and apps while moving you to the latest version. Option 3, create installation media with the Media Creation tool. To create a bootable USB or DVD, 1. Visit the Windows 11 download page, itmas/www.microsoft.com/enus/software-download/Windows 11. 2. Under Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click Download Now. 3. Run the Media Creation tool. 4. Choose your language and edition, then select USB drive or ISO file. This is best for performing fresh installs on multiple PCs. Option 4, download Windows 11 Enterprise ISO Evaluation. For IT professionals, developers, or organizations, go to the Windows 11 Enterprise Evaluation page, t.microsoft.com/eval-center evaluate-windows-11-enterprise. Register with a Microsoft account. Download the 90-day trial ISO. This version is ideal for testing Windows 11 24H2 in business environments. Before you install, make sure your PC meets Windows 11 hardware requirements, TPM 2.0, secure boot, supported CPU. Always back up your files before upgrading or performing a clean install. You'll need a valid Windows 11 license key to activate the system after installation. Final thoughts. Windows 11 24H2 brings several important changes, from Copilot as a standalone app to support for Wi-Fi 7 and HDR wallpapers. Using these official download methods ensures you get a clean, secure, and up-to-date version.